How to share screen on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can share your screen on Discord. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to share your screen on Discord, it's fairly simple to do so. First of all, you have to go to one of the Discord servers over there and you need to go to a voice channel. So you can only share your screen if you're inside a voice channel. Once you're inside a voice channel, you can see your voice has been connected. But to also share your screen, right underneath that voice, you'll find this share your screen icon where if you select and hover your mouse, it'll show you share your screen. Once you click on it, it'll ask you for it. You can either select applications or you can either select the whole devices. Then you can simply make sure to select on standard quality or HD quality, and then you'll be able to share your screen. That way you'll be able to share screen on Discord. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.